Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C17 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to localize a special number which is called build number, and I believe it will be right here in the version, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got the build number. So all we have to do right now is to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Now let's go back to the general settings and enter additional settings. Let's scroll down and the developer options are right here, so in the second section. So let's tap on it simply. That was a mistake. And right here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the strict mode, we can manage the display cutout, also window animation scale, we've got the visual feedback for taps. Here we've got some options which are connected with a Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, so the network overall. So as I said, a lot of options to customize, and basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. So if you've got the option, simply tap on the switcher to turn it on and turn it off, of course. And if you've got the options without the switcher, just tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, simply go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher to turn them off. And as you can see, they will disappear, and the same situation in the additional settings. So in the second section, we cannot see the developer options, but of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.